morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody my name is Dickens Oyo. I am the head teacher at Lapono Seed Secondary School, one of the schools that has taken close to a decade, but with a very serious improvingly in the number of quite a number of things. One, our students, we are doing so well in terms of enrollment. Given the few years we have been in existence, we have closely received now to about 400 students, which is very encouraging to us because we still have only O level, but we believe with time the school we shall bring in the aspect of A level so that all the learners coming to our school can complete all the circle of O level and A level from here, then advance to the University of Learning. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I want to assure you that the school is doing well. We have quite a number of projects ongoing. We talked about UGIFT, which is already on, and close to maybe few days we shall have the handover of this facility when the contractor finishes his work. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank everyone who has put on into this project, more especially the district local government in the leadership of Leonard Ojok. We also thank the government of Uganda under the leadership of His Excellency, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for giving us this multi-billion project of this UGIFT construction. This has not only mobilized many students from within, but also from outside. I want to tell you that this is our third week, but we are getting a lot of students coming from various parts of the region, others from Karamoja, from Laos sub-region, and even within we are receiving students from Kitgum, Pade, and others coming from Gulu. Now, what does it mean? This implies that the students have realized the good facility we have here and performance that perhaps we are excelling in.
The government of Uganda, under the leadership of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, supported the construction of the Lapono Seed Secondary School with billions of shillings. The school is well established in Lapono sub-county, Agogo district. The school has a wide environment for learning and practicing modern agriculture. The yearly performance, both in sports and academic, has raised hope to residents in the district, as many people still struggle with mindset change.
Lapono Seed Secondary School has excellent ICT laboratory for promotion of job creation and digital commercialization within northern Uganda and the entire country. Both girls and boys are dedicated to the services offered at the school.
As you can see, we promote a lot of things, not only academics. We also promote co-curricular activity. ICT, that's one of our core, because without ICT today, the child will have a lot of difficulty in future. As we even know, in A level, we need this aspect of ICT. So when a child starts from ordinary level, by the time he reaches senior 6, you're acquainted with this.
School.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, I want to really request of all the parents whose children sat last year's PLOE that we still have just some few vacancies left in our school, and come Monday, I think the school shall have reached the maximum capacity to which it should admit these learners. So we request that if you still have the students at home, please bring them, because the facility we have is still enough to accommodate them up to a certain capacity. I want to take this time to request that you come to Lapono Seed, where the facility, the environment is very conducive for the learning of your child. The security is well protected. In the past exam, the lower curriculum, our pioneers students performed so well, and as far as we are concerned, all the 73 students got results 1, meaning that they are all qualified for the issuance of certificate by Uganda National Examination Board, that is UNED. Therefore, the students can join any institutions of learning. Others can go for A-level with various combinations of PCB, PCM, and other science combinations. And those who wish to join tertiary institutions, they can as well do so. And this to us is a very big pride. So I want to thank these pioneer students for the hard work that they put to see that these results become a good one.
Business. What? What other question will involve what? What kind of product? What kind of business? Will it be an business? Will it be like the trading business? Service? And then where? Where? Business location? Where would be the head place, for example? Be located? Where? What about the customers? We don't mind where your customers will be from.
Rainy season will get over before your maize is ready for what? For harvest. So to help us introduce this, we must prepare the garden what? And so that it plants at the onset of rain. This one is broken. But this one is already 25 centimeters. Now you can imagine planting your maize half a centimeter is somewhere here. So you are planting your seed deep into the soil half a centimeter. Is it going to germinate? So one problem with mapping is that if you plant this maize deeper than the normal planting size.
Entirely unequal protein or a plant protein. That is it. What you should be asking yourself. Next we're going to look at lipids. Can we identify some of the sources of lipid foods in our communities? Sources of lipid foods in our community. Sources of lipid foods in our community. That's okay, that is it, that is this answer. We are here to learn, isn't it? Yes, so we should not discourage our colleagues from learning. Everything to find whether you are correct or not. That's why we are here. If you knew what we are talking about, you would not be in this class, isn't it? Yes, so you have to feel free and talk about what you want. So in share with our friends, within just 2 minutes, I want to find out.
The water project in school has given a lot of ease to our students to get clean water. They no longer move long distances to look for water in the borehole, and this has been a very good achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank everyone who has put on into this project, more especially the district local government in the leadership of Leonard Ojok. We want to thank you so much, because had it not been the district to allocate this water, perhaps we could have not received it.
Lapono Seed Secondary School. Students and staffs have access to clean, piped water system installed by Ministry Water through.
Our teachers did us so proud, because without them, these results could not be achieved. They kept close with these students to make sure day and night they do a number of teaching, remedials, and project work. And this
Visit Lapono Seed Secondary School with habitat of respect to learners, parents, and among staffs themselves.
thank you very much, and I wish you good stay.